Awesome. And I also need Nikki and Matt. Wonderful. Okay, this next game is called sound effects. So, clearly, if we don't have a front curtain or lights that are turning off and on, we don't have sound effects. So these two are going to be doing the sound effects for this scene. So Ava's going to be making all of Max's sound effects, and Chris is going to be making all of Nikki's sound effects. So what I need from you is your favorite blockbuster movie. Magic Mike. Did you say that?
Please, no.
Anyone else? Baby Driver? Okay, great. This is going to be a scene called Magic Baby. Magic Baby. All right, so get off the stage and everyone put your hands together for Magic Baby.
Son, it's time that you learn some magic, even though you are not even a year old.
Thank you, Daddy.
What could possibly go wrong? So,
I don't know, Daddy.
good answer. Here is a wand.
Thank you, Daddy.
Now, say Avada Kedavra and aim for that target.
Avada Kedavra.
That, I mean, hit the target, but, also hit the person behind the target.
Help me, please.
Sorry about that. My son, it's terrible aim.
Daddy, did I say it right?
No.
Try again.
Daddy,
Except
you
this
make
time,
me feel sad.
I'm telling you the truth, man. The truth hurts. Aim for that top target now. And say it very clearly. Avada Kedavra.
Avada Kedavra.
You might have hit that plane.
Daddy, I don't think this is the best thing to teach to someone who can't even really talk. It's like a miracle that
I know what I'm doing. I have a lesson plan and everything.
Daddy, I'm not even a year old. I mean, it's not my fault if I can't pronounce things. I mean, I'm just gonna keep killing people.
I mean, not
do
my
you-
problem.
Do you think it's fair for me to be doing it next to you? Because you could just die all of a sudden.
No, because I make sure that wand doesn't actually kill people. I know Avada Kedavra usually means you kill people, but it only just paralyzes them. So
Okay.
when that guy becomes unparalyzed that we hit earlier, just be sure to run.
Okay.
Oh, he might be actually starting to become unparalyzed now.
Daddy, I'm just gonna try to do some more magic. Like I'm gonna start
Okay.
some wind.
Oh, please don't. I'm begging you.
Oh boy. All right, let me just open this chest right here. And oh yes, this is my wand. You sir, goodbye. Okay, now that's out of the way. Try again.
Okay. Ready, Daddy?
Yes.
Avada Kedavra.
Hey, you did it. There you go. You also hit the person behind it again, but
Yeah, Daddy, I think we should work on my aim. Like, do you have anything to help me?
Here, there's a bow and arrow. This should work.
Thank you, Daddy.
Try that.
You just hit my son. Please, stop shooting me.
What is your problem?